how does paragraph 7 fit into the overall structure of the passage? Okay, so what is basically the function of paragraph 7? I kind of want to know how it transitions from 6 to 7 and to 8 as well. So let's go back up and take a look. What's going on? Okay, they're tiring. That's the section header. So 6 starts talking about studies of LED screens make people tired. So the author says, so if you're going to read an ebook, go for one without backlighting, because that makes you more tired, I guess, keeps you up. 7, the takeaway message question. The author is asking, if you're really trying to absorb material, you might want to go for a physical book. And if you're going to be up all night studying, turn off the backlight. So the author is making suggestions to possible questions from people who would say, do I get an ebook? Do I get a physical book? However, all this may not mean that reading a Kindle is really going to melt your brain. For instance, reading a book on a computer is a much different experience. And then he goes on talking a little more details or nuances, I guess, about his suggestions. So what's he doing? He's basically making suggestions based on the studies from paragraph 6. I think that's how it fits into the overall structure. Let's go see what answer choices we have. E, it indicates where the author changes the purpose of the writing. Not clearly. I mean, I wouldn't cross this out yet, but not clearly. A partial cross out. Depends on what the purpose is. It introduces the author's opinion on the issue. Is he making an opinion? No, he's not actually saying buy or don't buy or one's better than the other. Not really an opinion. So I don't think that's going to be right either. It signals a shift in the position of the author. Did the author really change his position? There were studies and then his suggestions based on the studies. So I don't think there was a shift necessarily in his position. I'm going to put that on a temporary cross. Notice these aren't hard crosses. They're not obvious eliminations yet. H, it begins the author's commentary on the preceding. Preceding means the earlier information, which was paragraph 6. He is making a commentary. He's making a suggestion based on the studies in paragraph 6. This is exactly what happens in the text. These are wrong. H will be the answer.